What role do planetary influences play in Hindu health practices and remedies? In the intricate tapestry of Hindu health practices and remedies, planetary influences hold a prominent and revered position. Hindus believe that the positions and movements of celestial bodies, particularly the sun, moon, and planets, exert significant effects on human health and well-being. This belief is rooted in the ancient Vedic texts, which posit that the cosmos is a living organism with its own rhythms and cycles that impact life on Earth. One of the central tenets of Hindu health practices is the concept of tridoshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. These three doshas, or biological forces, are believed to govern the physical, mental, and emotional aspects of an individual. According to Ayurveda, the traditional Hindu system of medicine, imbalances in these doshas can lead to illness and disease. Planetary influences are believed to affect the doshas, either aggravating or pacifying them. For instance, the sun is associated with Pitta, the dosha related to heat, energy, and metabolism. An excess of solar influence can manifest as conditions like fever, inflammation, and skin disorders. Conversely, the moon is linked to Kapha, representing the qualities of coolness, moisture, and heaviness. An imbalance caused by lunar influences may lead to respiratory issues, congestion, and sluggishness. Similarly, the positions of other planets such as Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, and Saturn are analyzed to assess their impact on individual health. Hindu health remedies often incorporate the principles of astrology to mitigate the negative effects of planetary influences. Remedial measures may include following specific diets, performing certain rituals or mantras, wearing gemstones or amulets, and observing planetary fasts. For example, during a period of strong Martian influence, which is believed to intensify Pitta, individuals may be advised to consume cooling foods like coconut water and cucumber, avoid spicy and oily dishes, and engage in activities that promote calmness and relaxation. Moreover, the concept of nakshatras, or lunar mansions, plays a vital role in Hindu health practices. Nakshatras are specific constellations along the zodiac that are believed to have distinct qualities and influences. The position of the moon in different nakshatras at the time of birth is said to shape an individual's physical and mental constitution. This knowledge is used to determine appropriate remedies and treatments based on an individual's unique astrological profile. In Hindu culture, planetary influences are not merely abstract concepts but are deeply intertwined with daily life, including health practices and remedies. The belief in the interconnectedness of the cosmos and human well-being underscores the holistic approach to health and healing in Hinduism, where the mind, body, and spirit are considered inseparable.